Hello guys, welcome to Rozzy Kitchen. This is Africa Kitchen. We have we are making a different type of Africa food, but today we are going to make black soup. Black soup with palm cream. So I normally add palm cream to my black soup. So I'm going to show you guys what we are going to use. These are things we are going to use for the black soup. I'm going to turn the camera to the things we are going to use so that you guys can see what is going to make the black soup. These are the things we are going to use to make the black soup. This is catfish, the smoking catfish. I like adding it to my soup. And this is a cow meat, it's beefed. So, and this is Titus, it's fresh Titus. I like adding it to it. And this is pepper, crayfish, maggi, and this is palm cream. This is banga, we call it banga. So I like using this bang. I like adding my banga to the leaf. It's not that when you use the leaf, you cannot make the black soup. This is spinach. So this is spinach. You can use the leaf. And with the pan cream, we call it banga. I will just be calling it banga right now so that every other person will understand what I'm saying. So, and this leaf, this is spinach. You have to blend it in a blending machine, and so you can use this if you don't want to add palm cream to it. But I like adding this palm cream to my black soup. It gives it a lot of taste, so I like it. So guys, this is what we are going to use to make the soup, the black soup. So the soup can go with anything. You can go with pounded yam, you can go with elba, you can go with starch. So today we are going to make the soup, and we're going to make pounded yam for it, and maybe I will still add some starch to it, a little starch, so that you can know that it can work in anything any fufu, any things you're going to use to eat it. So guys, see you guys. Let me just add the meat to the pot. So I've washed everything, so you need to wash your things very well. So I've washed the beef, I've washed the fish, so I'm just going to add the meat first on the pot right now. Hey guys, here's the leaf. I've blended it. Here's the spinach leaf, and this is the palm cream. So the palm cream I've boiled it. Look at the meat, it's already boiled. So the palm cream, I have to steam it. So I have to steam the palm cream, the banga, so that the oil don't have to steam it before I can add the leaf to it, because if I don't steam it, the oil on it will be too much. So I have to steam it and remove some oil from it. So guys, I'll just have to add the banga to the pot right away. Thank you. If you can help me with water, use that rubber to give me water so that I would. What rubber? No wonder. Thank you. Just have to stir it and make sure it's mixed. Make sure it's mixed very well. Yeah. Even the oil coming out from it, I can even use it in any other thing that I want to use. Like I can use it for beans, I can use it for egusi soup. So don't worry, we are coming to egusi soup in another day. But yeah, because I have to add a little water on it. Can I get some water, please? I have to still add the water on it. So when you You don't just want to mix it like this and have your leaf to eat, no, because when it's, yeah, good job, because it's still chicken. Yeah. So you have to, so you now have the cover. Yeah, this is the cover. Can I have the big cover? So you just have to give him like, 8 to 10 minutes. Like let it boil out. Depends how you like your oil in your black soup. Like me, I don't like oil in my black soup. Maybe I'll have to wait like 20 minutes so that it will be, the oil will be out already, so that I can filter the oil out. So because it's, yeah, because it's very, I'm using one right now. Sometimes I use 2 banga. So if I'm using 1, so the oil will not be too much. But if I'm using 2, the oil will be full. So let's just see. Yeah, I just want to cover it and turn the stove on right now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hello guys. I've turned the leaf into the pot with the palm cream, and this is the bangas with the leaf. So I've mixed them together. So I'm just going to add the meat and the meat first. So yeah, let me turn it on. So I'm going to turn everything. I've mixed it. I've had, I think it's going to add the maggi, crayfish, and this is the smoking fish, the catfish, the smoke. I like adding the catfish to it. That's the catfish. So I will add the Titus right away because I don't want it to get scattered inside the pot. So I'll just let the soup boil a little because I can add something on it. Oh, look at the spoon I'm supposed to be using. I use that one to pack out the mix. So yeah. So that's it. This is just cover. Hey guys, let's see if our soup is ready. Wow, our soup is ready to be eaten. Yeah, so ready. Yeah, the soup is ready. This soup, black soup, is just for you to have the ingredient. Is so super easy to cook. So why mine is large, because I have a big family, and you can just make it smaller the way you want it, or you don't want to keep it in the fridge, or you just want to eat it like a week or 5 days, how you want it. So you can make it the way you want it, but it's so easy to cook. And every swallow can go with it. I bet you every swallow, eba can go with it, panayam can go with it, starch can go with it, fufu can go with it. Whatever swallow you just want to use can go with it, guys. Yeah, I'm just going to mix a pounded yam right now to see, so that, yeah, to show you guys that pounded yam can go with it. So many people like pounded yam though for it, but anything can go with it for me. Anything.